Summer countdown at the Supreme Court. As the U.S. Supreme Court prepares to adjourn for summer recess, several landmark decisions are set to shape the future of our constitutional republic. These rulings will address pivotal issues such as presidential immunity, abortion rights, and gun control. Here's a detailed preview of what to expect. Presidential immunity and Trump's cases. Presidential immunity and Trump's cases. One of the most consequential decisions pending involves the extent of presidential immunity. The court will determine whether former President Donald Trump is shielded from prosecution for actions taken during his time in office. This ruling could have profound implications for his two federal cases, potentially nullifying several of the charges against him. During oral arguments, the justices appeared inclined toward recognizing some degree of immunity, a stance that could set a significant precedent for future presidencies. Gun rights under scrutiny. The court will address two critical cases concerning firearm restrictions. The first examines whether individuals under domestic violence restraining orders can be prohibited from owning firearms. The second challenges the legality of banning bump stocks. These decisions will likely have far-reaching consequences for Second Amendment rights and the ongoing debate over gun control. Jan 6 obstruction charges. Another crucial case involves the application of an obstruction law by the Biden Department of Justice. This law, originally intended to prosecute those who destroy evidence, has been used to target individuals involved in the January 6th events, accusing them of obstructing by delaying congressional procedures. Should the Supreme Court overturn these applications, hundreds of convictions could be nullified, including several charges brought against Donald Trump by special counsel Jack Smith. Limits on federal agency power. In a significant move, the court will review the constitutionality of the Chevron deference, a 40-year-old legal doctrine that allows the executive branch to interpret ambiguous laws. If deemed unconstitutional, this decision will significantly curtail the Biden administration's ability to impose regulations, particularly in the agriculture and energy sectors, abortion rights, and federal regulations. The Supreme Court is also set to rule on two major abortion cases. The first questions the legality of the FDA's regulations that expanded access to the abortion pill mifepristone. The second involves Idaho's abortion ban and whether it conflicts with federal laws requiring hospitals to provide emergency care to patients. These rulings will have significant implications for reproductive rights and federal authority over state laws. As these critical decisions loom, the Supreme Court's rulings will undeniably shape the legislative and political landscape of our nation, reinforcing the principles of our constitutional republic while ensuring our democracy thrives.